What is a Cartesian coordinate system? Initially invented by René Descartes in the 17th century, a Cartesian coordinate system is used to display a specified point defined in a plane by a set of numerical coordinates. The system revolutionized mathematics by providing a link between Euclidean geometry and algebra. The Cartesian coordinate system can be expressed in multiple dimensions. In one dimension, it is simply a number line. In two dimensions, there are two axes, x on the horizontal and y on the vertical, creating four regions or quadrants. In three dimensions, there are three axes, x, y, and z, creating 8 regions known as octants. The x-coordinate can also be referred to as the abscissa, the y-coordinate as the ordinate, and the z-coordinate as the applicate. The Cartesian coordinate system is used in a variety of applications, such as CNC machines, 3D printers, plotters, robots, and CAD systems. If you like this information on Cartesian coordinate systems, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos. For general information about Radwell, visit us on the web at radwell.com or connect with us on social media. Thanks for watching!